This is the best day.
Literally history.
This is the best night of my life.
I cannot wait to tell my kids about this. Oh my god.
I'm back for the next one, the next one, and the next one, and the next
We in Miami.
the next one, then Miami,
Miami.
anywhere.
Ki pati nan program nan te pi enjoy, ki müzik nou te pi enjoy.
Mesu.
Carla, who get it? Carla, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Yo, baba, sa gen men mou mouve, motive moun yo. Koman te viv program nan baba?
Por favor, que de mamacita. Por favor.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready.
Baby,
I miss you. You miss me too? Program nan.
Love it. To Kaimi.
Ma'am,
Are you ready? Yeah. Ready.
Karim.
Are you ready? Yeah. Ready.
Yeah, Fanatik yo la. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready. Fanatik yo la.
Yo, this shit right here, this shit was lit, man. Let Carlos sortir, et puis tout let Richard sortir, et puis tout you get danser there, they get la fille, man, get smoke.
Men say blanc, so I'ma just
Frère son black blanc, ok? Frère son blanc, but son black blanc.
so my ACM. I mean, it was really dope. Like definitely good vibes. You get me, especially for Haiti. So yeah, it was beautiful.
It was beautiful.
That history has nothing to do with this history. This is history in the making. Karimi Kila, 27 Décembre 2024, bon bagay. Listen, I'm so happy to be here. It's so great to be alive, to be here to see Karimi. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to be Haitian. I'm so happy to represent Karimi. Thank you guys.
Musique ou te pi enjoy, ou te pi fete, ou te
Chagrin
pi chante.
criminel.
Oh, criminel.
Wait.